Hello everyone, I'm Sovandy from Ecam Solution and I have been working as technical manager. Ecam Solution is a company who provides the IT implementation service for the hardware and professional service in Cambodia. And I have joined the FI, LTM, GTM and ASM training from NetMinion Solution as the team from a company. We have eight people, eight staff from my team to join the training from NetMinion. And our team, we have we have some experience with FI, LTM, and GTM, and for the implementation. And we joined the NetMinion solution to get more core knowledge to understand on FI product more clearly, to support our customer and to do the project implementation. NetMinion solution has the good instructor and also good training material which able to enable our team to get more knowledge on FI product. I would recommend NetMinion solution to everyone who willing to study on FI to improve your knowledge and skill with practice. Yes, NetMinion solution also have other training like network automation, follow auto firewall training, but we will explore it later since our team have been busy with other product, but sure in the future, beside the FI, our team will join other product training. Thank you so much.